Hey guys, today I'm going to give an honest review or testimonial on the Peak Capital Trading Bootcamp, which is coming to an end here. One of the first things I'd like to say, which is a pro, I'm going to list 3 pros and 2 cons. The first pro is communication. The communication between team captains and the members of their team was excellent, and the help that the team captains gave to the members of their team was even better. My team captain was John, and he was really good at communicating with us and helping me out when I needed it. So overall, the communication was good, not just on the team aspect, but when it comes to DAS, chart log, or any other questions with the software, they were very good at providing feedback or finding a solution as quick as possible. Another pro is them really pushing a playbook on us. Them pushing a playbook on us really helps us single out certain strategies and helps you find yourself as a trader, and that was the most amount of improvement I've seen in the shortest amount of time because of the pushing of the playbook that they had on me. The last pro I have is just the opportunity. The fact that they're even providing us a chance to trade with the firm's money is an excellent opportunity, and I recommend that everybody gives it a shot and don't take it for granted. Some of the cons that I have, and they're all constructive, and I believe they're working on it for the next one, but one of them is it seemed a little disorganized. Sometimes some of the leaders and some of the team members all just seemed on different pages at points, and they didn't really know the answers to a lot of our questions that people had, and it's nothing too big. It was just a small tweak that as they get better and as they have more boot camps, they'll get better at. And the next one is I think there should be a little bit more one-on-one mentoring or teaching. It seems like they kind of, I wouldn't say they just left you to go on your own, but they really want you to already have knowledge in the markets. Just, if you were a new trader coming into this, I don't think you would have really had a fair time, because you don't really get that one-on-one mentoring. You're kind of out there to just do it by yourself. So next time, and I believe they're working on it for the next one, there should be more one-on-one mentoring or teaching where they kind of help you along the way rather than you having to go to them for questions. They can almost mentor you. They can be a mentor for you on the way through the boot camp. And basically that's all I have. Overall, it was a great experience, and I would definitely do it again. I would recommend any of you to do it again. Thank you guys.